as you guys can see, it's raining today, so we're just gonna go set up here at the sale building we have up here and sell some stuff. Okay, so it's raining today. It was raining yesterday, storming. Hopefully the garden is liking all this water, so woo! So we're just gonna sit up here well, I am by myself, just going to sit up here today and sell some stuff. We got quite a bit of new stuff. It's pretty full in here, so hopefully we'll thin it out some. Okay, let's see here. Ka-chow. Alright, so like I said, we're pretty crowded in here right now, so hopefully we'll get rid of some of this stuff and make a few bucks while we're at it. We're probably, you know, I'm probably just gonna sit up here all day for pretty much almost nothing. Might make, I don't know, 40 bucks or something, because it's rainy today and everything, but well, I guess 40 bucks is better than no bucks. So, and it's nice and quiet up here anyway, so I can just sit over here in the behind the counter here and just hang out. Just wait around all day and sit on my butt and collect money. Not very much at a time, but like I said, I can't go out and do anything out at the property or anything anyway, and it's better for me to just, you know, come up here and sit and at least collect a few bucks than just sit at home and make nothing. So this is what I'm gonna do today, and that's about it. Okay, so I've been here about 5 hours. Let's see how we've done so far. And let's see. Let's see. 10, 15, 25, 45, 50, 60, 75, about $10 in quarters, so 85. Okay, 105, 125, 145, 165, 170, 175, 180, 185, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 189. I imagine it slows down a little bit in the afternoon time, so you know, if I was to stay another 5 hours, I wouldn't necessarily double that amount. So it's looking good so far, though.